morning from here in Bali, Indonesia. The sun is shining, it's a beautiful day, and today I want to share a very special place with you. So I'm here in Uluwatu at a place called Suluban Beach. So I'm just here in the car parking. I've just got to pay my ticket for car parking, which is 5,000. Good morning. This is the man. Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Thank you. And then this is where we're going. Uluwatu, Suluban Beach. Okay, so I've paid my parking. Let's make our way down to the beach. Here we go. So Suluban Beach, guys, is actually quite a popular surfing beach because there's quite big waves here. I have been many times before. It's a very beautiful beach, and that's why I'm here and want to share it with you. So let's continue walking, go down to the beach, and then I can show you this beautiful place. So it's a nice concrete track down here at this point. So it's nice and easy walking. However, it is quite steep. As you can see, it's early. The shops on either side are not open yet, and then the beach is actually down this way. But I'm just going to take you here first and show you the view from the top. This is usually all very busy. The shops are just starting to open. Like I say, it's only 8 AM. Even though it is early, there's still a place open that you can get your breakfast. Okay, so I'm back at the point where I started just before I took you to show you the view, and we're going to walk down to the beach now. Morning.
Morning.
And there we go. Pantai Suluban. So the reason why I'm here now so early is to show you this beach at low tide, because during high tide there's no beach exposed whatsoever. Now all the beach is exposed, so you're going to have to pick and select your time for coming here. If you want to go on the beach, you're going to have to come during the low tide. I am actually going to come back this afternoon at around midday-ish time and show you high tide as well, so you can compare the differences and see what this place is like at high tide and low tide. So let's continue on down to the beach. it is, there's the beach. And if you go up in that direction, that's towards a restaurant on the top, which we'll show you in a minute. See the impressive rocks. Like a ledge of a cave at the back. And there you go, welcome to Suluban. Actual little section here, you can make your way up and over and go over to another little beach. So let's go. You can also come from that way as well. Is guys, you have an entire beach all to yourself. How beautiful is that? Some caves at the back of the beach. Get out of the sun. A lovely little rock pool here, we'll go and take a dip in. As well during low tide, just walk over to that area there as well. Look at this. Ooh la la. Take a dip in the water here as well. Some quite big rocks here. Ooh. Have that up above here. And that's the look back. It's a bit rocky as well in here. Just look at the size of those waves in the distance. This is a great beach, Suluban. This is the restaurant with the swimming pool, what we saw from the top. So that's where the swimming pool is in there. And you have an access point here. There's the swimming pool. Now you can't see to, but 100k one person, and you get access to the swimming pool. Okay guys, so I'm back here now at Suluban Beach. It's midday and it's high tide. Look what a difference a few hours makes. So you can see what a difference now high tide is. See the surfer coming out here. Surfers in the ocean. I have to be careful, we've got a monkey here. Wow guys, so I'll just give you my final thoughts on Suluban. What an impressive, wow, oh my god, the waves are getting so big now. So glad I come here, show you this morning during low tide. You can have a beautiful beach. Now there is no beach, it's just all ocean. Ocean has made the sand disappear, so this maybe isn't a place for you during high tide unless you want to experience the waves. So glad to share both high tide and low tide with you. You decide which is best for you to come here. Suluban, great place to visit, fantastic restaurants upstairs, and you have access to the swimming pool as well for 100,000 should you so wish, on the edge of the cliff. All in all, wonderful place to visit, and so glad to share this place with you. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Bye for now.